The calm before the storm. Getting ready for 80s Con, day before.
Dude, I'm like, bro, you gave me 50 of, you did the reversal.
Setting up for 80s Con.
So everything is nothing's changed except I'm not around. That makes you feel better.
Marty, Marty, Eugene.
That's what I did earlier, like every company line.
I'll follow you guys right now.
I'm following all 12 of your wrestling pages, yeah. Looking into the video scope then, now, everywhere, the Macho King, yeah. And they better not call me Macho Man. That's like calling your teacher by their first name. You just don't do it. You gotta know titles.
Oh, Macho, they need you. Sheik, they need you, Sheik. Get in there, Sheik.
I don't like that.
You know what the line is?
I'm seeing double.
Say I'm old fashioned, say I'm over the hill. Today's music ain't got the same soul. I like that old time rock and roll.
Dusty Rose, we're here at the mothership, the Men in Arena 80s Wrestling Con, baby. We got a lot of stuff going on. We got 80s Legends, we got independent wrestling, we got a lot of merchandise, baby. Go get in your wallet, go to the pay window, baby. The pay window, get some money, buy some of this stuff, merchandise. We got the line from Bret the Hitman Hart going on around, baby. Everybody, Vince, he might have put polka dots on me, baby, but Vince screwed Bret Hart, remember that. So come on down, 80s Wrestling Con. It's not exactly 6:05, but it is Saturday, all right? Come on down, if you will.
It's on? That thing's on? Everybody, you know me. My name is Eugene. Hey, you know, I got an action figure. The best part about having your own action figure is you get to play with yourself in public. I want more than anything to be on my Duke Brothers podcast. So look out, because I'm going to be doing a podcast all up in your podcast world.
I have learned the hard way. That's one thing you gotta do.
From Wrestling In and Out. I don't know if you can see it in my face, but I am exhausted. It's Sunday after 80s Con. I'm not even in my studio to record this because I physically can't walk into the studio. I'm so tired. A long weekend, a very exhausting weekend of a lot of work to set up an event like 80s Con. But man, what an unbelievable time. Huge props to Tommy Fierro. If you were there, if you want to go to any of Tommy's events, he always goes above and beyond to give his paying customers an unbelievable experience. Shout out to everyone who helped us and helped him set up the event, who worked so hard. I can't wait for 80s Con 5. I hope if you were there you had a great time. Please hit subscribe. Tell your friends about my channel. I have a lot of stuff coming up. A lot of new contacts from 80s Con, so there'll be a ton more interviews coming up real soon. Thanks for watching, and if you were at 80s Con, thanks for coming.